Hey everyone, this is Richard Noto, Realtor, Home Inspector, and Notary Public located in Winter Garden. And right now I'm going to be showing you the floor plans for the Margaritaville Cottages in Orlando. So pretty much over here, you can live in these homes, you can rent these homes, or you could live in them and rent them. It's up to you. So you could be here full time if you like living in a resort close to a water park, about 12 minutes away from Disney, very close, fantastic looking homes. I have some other videos, so check those out as well. So let's take a look inside here. The first thing that you're going to see is the site plans. Let me just try to move this over. I did kind of zoom in. I'm going to be using this pointer just to hold the book down. Try to keep my arm out of the camera as best I can. So now you're probably not going to see this very well on camera, but you can at any time hit pause and look it over yourself. So let me see. This is nothing too important features. Okay, so this is your first floor plan over here. Okay, so just to hold this down a bit. Now there's 47 floor plans. I don't think I have ever seen so many from any home builder. Usually home builders have anywhere from 8 to maybe 12, maybe 16 different models. But yeah, I counted 47. Maybe my count is off by a little bit, but either way, it's a lot. I'm just gonna move this over. I'm trying to look at the viewer and look at the book, so. And the whole idea for this is just so that you can see some of the floor plans and just to get an idea of it. And again, at any time, hit pause while you're watching this video. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'd love to be able to help you with your home purchase or search in this community or any of the other surrounding communities and towns in and around Orlando. I also do have incentives for over here, so in addition to anything that they are offering, and when I say they, I mean the builder over here at Margaritaville, anything that the builder is offering, I also have additional incentives, so that's going to give you some nice money back. So please contact me first before you head over there. So if you've already been over there, I probably can't help you, just because that's how it goes with builders. They always want the realtor there from the start. So if you were there and you gave out your name, or you called them and you gave out your name and your information, then I probably can't help you because they got you logged in, and that's it. So these homes have anywhere from the standard floor plan, the single floor, all the way up until the 3 floors. So these homes are something to see. As you can see, we're on 2nd floor. I hope my pointer's not in the way. I can't really see the viewer too well either. So I have to say that the whole idea of having a book like this was a fantastic idea, with as many floor plans as they have. And it's a nice book. Like, the paper's not cheap. It feels very expensive. Yeah, really well done. And now you can see that we're all the way up in the bedrooms now. We're in the 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. Now, as of today, as of the time that I'm making this, you could pick up homes in the area starting in the 300s, in the mid or like the lower mid 300s, and they push just over $1 million, and that's for these super big ones. Now you can see that we're in a 5 bedroom, and the square footage is going up. And over here we have 6 baths now. So the only thing with the rentals here is that it has to be at least 2 days. If you are considering renting it, purchasing it and renting it, it has to be at least a 2-day rental. And as you could see too, that the models have a number. So for here, as an example, you have 3579A, and you have 3579B, and then there might be a C, or if they have anything else for that particular model, and the outside changes. And you could also see that there sometimes is a little variation, so sometimes when they change the outside, this changes as well. So this one looks like it has a balcony, and this one doesn't look like it has a balcony, just from looking at this picture quickly. Now over here we're in 6 bedrooms now, so you can see that there's a lot of bedrooms. And always do keep in mind that I get paid from the home builder. So the price that you pay for the home is going to be the same if you use me or not. The home builder is not going to reduce the price for you. That's just how it goes. Typically the home builders put the realtor fee in the marketing budget that they have, the advertising budget, the marketing. So it's located in there. So whatever price you pay, if the home is, let's say, a $300,000 home, you're still going to pay $300,000 if you use your realtor or not. Now, if you do use me, you'll end up getting money back as well. But you do have to contact me first. Again, don't go into the builder alone. Don't miss out. So here, you got 7 bedrooms now. So what started off in the beginning as a 2-bedroom has gone all the way up. 8.5 baths here. That's a lot of baths. And you can see you have an extra floor. There's a 3rd floor. So you have everything here, plus there. Fantastic homes. The only thing that you won't see is a place to park your car. A garage built into these homes. They have pools in the back, some of them. But there's no garage, but you have parking located over by your house. And you can check out my videos and you'll see how the homes are situated. I have a drive-through tour, so don't miss that. You can see this one, the third floor, is a bonus room, so it's just right up here. The same with this, that's your third floor. But look how many beds you got. You got 9 beds now. I mean, that's just I mean, that's fantastic. If you had a couple of families were going to be in here at once, you know, you could really enjoy yourselves with all those bedrooms and baths. Now, this is really just a huge home at this point. 4,689 square feet. So, yeah, that's it. That's all the floor plans, and you know, I hope that this helps you, and I would like to work with you in the future, so please don't hesitate to contact me. I just want to go right back to the beginning real quick just to show you what it went from. So you see you had your 2 bedrooms, your 2 baths, and it was under 1,000 square feet. But it's nice because you still have your bedroom up here and you had a bath over there. See, and again, similar floor plan. You got your B model, your C model, and then it switches over. All right, I hope that you found this helpful, and please like, favorite, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.